Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular mid-range processors, the AMD Ryzen 5-5600X and the Intel Core i5-12600KF. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which CPU is right for your needs. Let's dive into the details. Let's start with the technical specifications. The AMD Ryzen 5-5600X features 6 cores and 12 threads, while the Intel Core i5-12600KF boasts a hybrid architecture with 10 cores, including 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. Both processors have a base clock of 3.7 GHz, but the i5-12600KF can boost up to 4.9 GHz, compared to the 4.6 GHz of the Ryzen 5-5600X. Additionally, the Ryzen 5 has a lower TDP of 65W, making it more power efficient than the i5-12600KF, which has a TDP of 125W. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of each processor. The AMD Ryzen 5-5600X is praised for its excellent gaming performance and lower power consumption, making it a great value for gamers. However, it has fewer cores and threads compared to the Intel i5-12600KF, which excels in multitasking with its higher core count. The i5-12600KF, while slightly more expensive, offers better performance in demanding tasks, but comes with a higher TDP, which may lead to increased temperatures. Finally, let's highlight the similarities and differences. Both processors are high-performing and unlocked for overclocking, making them great for gaming. However, they differ significantly in architecture, with the Ryzen using Zen 3 technology and the Intel utilizing a hybrid architecture. The Ryzen 5 is more power efficient, while the i5-12600KF offers superior multitasking capabilities due to its higher core count. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5-5600X and the Intel Core i5-12600KF are excellent choices for mid-range CPUs. Your decision should be based on your specific needs, whether you prioritize gaming performance or multitasking capabilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.